Did you ever wish that every time you do an online shopping, you could get some of your money back? What if your purchases today could save your tomorrow's expenses? Yes, lahat tayo gusto natin ng money back, pero paano ba?
Money back? How can I?
Pwede bang may balik ang mga ginastos ko?
Possible ba? Paano?
Ang tanong, pwede nga ba? Pwede. Yan oh. Hi everyone, Crisel Morales here. Welcome back dito sa Crisel Morales Studio. And I am your online personal financial advisor. With the rising cost of living, marami sa atin ang naghahanap ng practical ways to save money. Whether you're shopping for groceries, household items, gadgets, or gifts, every single peso counts. The good news is, ShopBack helps you maximize your spending by rewarding you with cashback on eligible purchases with partner stores. So, ang key points natin, number 1, shop while spending on things you already need. Number 2, earn cashback from eligible purchases. Number 3, build savings little by little without changing your lifestyle. So, bago ka mag-online shopping, dumaan ka muna kay ShopBack at doon mo i-open ang app mo for online shopping. Sa ShopBack, nandiyan ang mga official stores ng Lazada, Shopee, Shein, Foodpanda, Agoda, Klook, and many more. Lahat yata ng mga online stores nandiyan kay ShopBack. Pero syempre, initially, kailangan downloaded na ang ShopBack app sa phone mo. So, punta ka lang sa App Store or sa Google Play Store. From there, mag-register ka na and you can start using your ShopBack. So every time you do an online shopping at inopen mo yung app mo sa ShopBack, you will be able to earn cashback that can be accumulated and eventually be withdrawn. Ito ang benefit mo kay ShopBack. Easy to use, free to join, available through website or mobile app, partners with many well-known online merchants. ShopBack is another tool for future expenses. But many people think ShopBack amounts are too small. But over time, this savings will grow into a meaningful amount. Kaya importante na include natin to sa ating sistema. We have to always remember before we do an online shopping, whether kay Shein, kay Lazada, kay Shopee, kay lahat na yata ng mga popular online shopping available sa ShopBack. Basta dumaan ka lang kay ShopBack before you do your shopping para you will be able to receive your reward or cashback from ShopBack. So, if you already have like this amount or kahit 1,000 pesos lang yung na-save mo, pwede mo na siyang i-transfer sa yung bangko or sa yung e-wallet like GCash, Maya, Maribank, and many more. Totoo na hindi naman agad-agad 500 pesos, 1,000 pesos, 2,000 pesos yung masasave mo through ShopBack. Pero tularan natin yung mga kapatid natin na negosyante, especially yung mga kapatid natin na Chinese. May kasabihan na kaya daw sila umaasenso sa negosyo kasi every single centavo counts. So, i-adapt din natin yung ganong klase ng pag-iisip and mindset na kahit konti lang yung amount as the years go by, maiipon din yan at magiging malaking amount. Remember, patience is a virtue. At totoo na tayo mga Pilipino ay practical, wise, at lahat ng pagkakakitaan, papasukin natin. Basta ang importante, ito ay legit at legal, of course. At ang mga Pilipino hindi nagpapatalo. Kung umaasenso ang mga online stores, kailangan meron din tayong share sa mga kinikita nila. Kaya, start using your ShopBack. Diyan nagtatapos ang ating video for today at kung nakarelate ka sa content natin, mag-comment ka naman ng okay ako dyan. Maraming salamat po for tuning in at sana yung mga subscribers natin, sana po ma-share ninyo ang ating video para naman ma-inspire ang iba. At yung mga dumadaan lang na hindi pa nag-subscribe, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and always tap the notification bell down there so that you'll always be notified kapag meron tayong bagong video. Maraming salamat and always remember, kahit anong klaseng pagsubok meron tayo sa buhay, life is beautiful because God is so good. Bye everyone!